Duze wami uShirley Willems, a member of the MK party nobhala usekela nobhala waseprovincini. Shirley Willems, ninjani sisi?
Hayi siyaphila, sishiswe ilanga nje, khompi gone.
Liyashisa.
Hayi kubi.
Akusenakho.
Hayi hambile nje khompi, kufana ngiyoqala phansi.
Nkosi yami. Shirley, niloko ningxenye yale march, niloko ningxenye ye-march and march, sharing the very same idea ngabantu bokufika abangenawo amaphepha. Nanamhlanje la begubha khona unyaka bavela nithi cha siyaqhubeka siyaqinisekisa ukuthi singxenye noma share idea efana ne.
Sizela mina ngizela ukuzosupporta uJacinta Ngobesa Zuma,
Yes.
the leader of March and March. She's a young woman.
Yes.
And she has galvanized South Africans to fight for a cause. So kubaluleke kimi lokho kubalulekile kakhulu kimi ukuthi ngizosupporta umunye umuntu wesifazane entene isimangalise singaka. Ngizoloke ngikuphindile amadoda awekho manje makuthi aniboni lelizwe lizolola abantu besifazane nangumuntu wesifazana very young ngabe she's doing everything else she can afford it she's got no business kahle ubela but she cares waphuma wabe nesibindi to stand up against ama injustices leveled against South Africans ngoba injustice le alikho iqiniso alienziwa kithi as ama South Africans. Ngizoleke ngubuzile kulomuzi kuhulumeni wase South Africa. Uhulumeni wase South Africa uthi South Africa belongs to everyone who lives in it. Kodwa they are pushing us out as abantu base South Africa. Siye phithini as abantu base South Africa. Unemployment is at an extreme rate. Asikhulume nje nge-KZN. Iko 40% manje. Bantu abasha abasebenzi kodwa abantu abokufika bayasebenza ngoba bayabaxhaphaza for cheap labor. Yonke lento le it's circulating around ama-capitalist singabashiyi ama-capitalist ukuyibona aba-driver land because yibona abaqashayo amafemini yibona aba-abusayo ama-illegal immigrants ukuthi babaqashe ngama-rates aphansi so that they care more about production than they care about humans. I've been to amafemila.
Yes.
There is a subtle slave labor going on in South Africa where abantu bethu whether they are South Africans or not South Africans are earning as little as 200 rand a week. For what? For production. The capitalists don't care about us and they don't care about South Africans. And the government of South Africa usidayisile usiqedile.
Ukufakazela lokho even so while in Marsha today mandluli komkhulu le-ANC sibona abantu besitoma ngamatshe sibona abantu bekhwifa inhlamba bememeza kusho ukuthini lo?
Awu phela iANC kade yaba amaphaphetha belungu imandate yabo ivele Stellenbosch iyazi Stellenbosch ukuthi ifuna ukwenzani ngoba ibhizi nama illegal immigrants bafuna ukuthi they want a civil unrest between black on violence kuze bazoqhubeka nibona nama nefarious agenda zabo and bathuma bona ithunzela zabo ANC awukwazi ukuthi abantu bebekunani nje basihloniphe bavala iminyango yabo ngoba bane economy banokudla ayikho into abayiswele bengaphumi besithuka ngibabonile basithukile but kakhulukazi asisebenzi as South Africans imisebenzi yethu ithathwa abantu bokufunga hayi ngoba sivelapha hayi ngoba we are not anti-African, we are not xenophobic, we're not against other Africans, but it's not fair kithi ukuthi asenandawo thina sizosebenza aphi sizoyapi. While we walked they closed itolo zabo. 90% of itolo la Durban CBD are owned by abantu bokufika. 90%. Kusho ukuthi yonke economy yethu iyaphuma ayikho la because they don't even get taxed properly. In the informal sector 200 billion of a tax shop, they own 80%. The beauty industry, yibona, they are dominating a $50 billion rand industry. Engabo sisibethu nabo baluka makhanda benza makeup, but no, it's dominated by them. They've even got buildings that they've captured here. Umasipala wethu what 27 buildings have been captured. So no, we don't capture buildings, it's them. South African government, KZN government, iyasidayisa man imisled. Njengamanje basivimbe ukuthi siye point. Why? They are protecting them. Mapoyisa were firing rubber bullets and they were spraying tear gas youth tear point. So crime here is thriving because of government and law enforcement agencies. Our country has been captured. Yabona state capture bebantu bebesiphupha ngalesi sikhathi sika President Zuma sikhona ke njengamanje.
Umbuzo wokugcina nihlose achieve with this march. What do you hope to achieve with this march?
I think raise ulaka lwethu as South Africans ukuthi no government, we've had enough. Sihlanganile la as political parties. There's various political parties la ahlanganile ukuthi no, it is enough. We are fighting for our people. We are fighting for South Africans. Ukuthi sibe nendawo South Africa. Our resources are not enough to extend to other countries. Laba bantu labo, they fail to hold governments abo in their own country ukuthi ba demand education, but demand healthcare services, but they want to demand them here. But yet it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. Why aren't they holding their own governments accountable? No, they are coming to bully us. Kwesmanje sebasidelela ngisho ukusidelela. Sifike lapho ukuthi manje they yibona that are entitled to be here. We are the ones that are the problem. So South Africans must rise up and stand up. We are the ones who have been driven out of our own countries so that they can come and take over. Thina sogcina singandawo.
Sebebeka namakhosi.
Yes. Sebebeka namakhosi simanga. Yazi that was the most shocking experience. Bese kuba osisi bethu okuyibona nabo that allow this to thrive. Bayabakoma laba bantu, bayalala nalaba bantu, bayabazalela laba bantu. We've got inkinga nje lesesinayo. We've got a real problem in South Africans. South Africans awaphaphama. Akusiza ukuhlala emakhaya manje. Asiphaphama izwe lethu liyahamba. Ngiyabonga.
Siyabonga isikhathi sakho.
Thank you very much.